Good morning. It's Sunday, day 6. I'm at Clara Lake. It's been raining. We've had a rainstorm ever since yesterday at around 3 o'clock, and it's about 7 in the morning now. So I've just got most of my stuff packed up here, ready to go. Tent held out great, dry as a bone, but of course everything else is wet. I'm going to try and see if I can get the stove going, get a coffee into me, and start packing up as soon as I can. My goal today is to get to Maggie Lake. It's a big one. It's a 9-kilometer, and in these conditions, going to be very tough. I doubt I'll get you any views, but I will try. Okay, later, guys. Hi, guys. Okay, I made it to Maggie Lake. Total by the map was 9.8 clicks, but I actually walked 17. So much bushwhacking. The trails were the worst I've ever seen them after that storm. I mean, there was rivers coming down them. There was trails washed out. A complete kilometer of trail just completely washed out. It's lying under the bottom of a pond. So anyways, it's been a long, crazy day. But I finally found a crappy little spot. Sorry, I just don't like it. It's not my cup of tea. Tent's on an angle, as you can see. So I'll make sure I put my head up high, I guess. It's the only spot I could find that's sort of somewhat maybe kind of flat, I guess. I don't know. I could be over here in the mud, I suppose, but I'm not sure I really want to do that. I was thinking of this spot right here. So this lens looks foggy. Anyway, I don't have much power, so I'm trying to preserve it as best I can. It's like 5:30. I'm trying to dry this stuff out a little bit in the tent before I put my quilt down, like the pad and the, because this morning it was raining so hard when I packed it up, I just took it and shoved it in the bag, but and it wasn't wet inside, but now it is because I shoved it all haphazardly without folding it or trying to eliminate the wetness. But at any rate, it'll dry out. It'll be fine. It's an amazing tent. Yeah, I'm going to head out as early as I can. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of this lake so far, what I've seen. It's okay, I guess, but yeah, it's got little islands and stuff. I suppose that suits the canoers, but anyways, big day. I'm tired, haven't eaten, hungry, need a coffee, need to wind it down for the day. Here, have a good look at it before I wind it out. I guess it's all right. It's big. It's massive. That's one thing I'll say for it. I got to get down in that water and get some drinking water before I go to bed. So, okay, good night. See ya.